You know, 10 rows a day started as a wild experiment. I gave myself a year to do what I always wanted to do, to explore knitting, to look for better ways to knit, for interesting techniques, to document my own kind of aha moments, and to share it all with other knitters, hoping that my findings will help somebody else. And they did. And that's absolutely amazing. Every comment that you leave, every email that I get from you guys with stories about how this or that technique helped you fix an issue you were struggling with or avoid a mistake that you were afraid of making. All of that makes me incredibly happy. And during this year of making tutorials, I realized two things. First, I absolutely love this job. I love doing research. I love experimenting with yarn and needles. I love making dozens of swatches, and most of all, I love sharing it all with you. The other thing that I realized is that I do need financial support to continue to do what I do. Because you can't run on bare enthusiasm for long, right? That's why I set up a page on Patreon. That's a platform that makes community funding easy and safe. I've listed a bunch of bonuses that are exclusive to patrons and are not available anywhere else. So I'll give you weekly updates about the behind the scenes process, about the projects I'm working on. I'll answer your questions in monthly Q&A sessions. You'll get access to my latest patterns, ebooks, courses. We'll do knit alongs, we'll do learn alongs. So it's going to be interesting, useful, and fun. And you'll get access to all of that right away as soon as you join in. So follow the link in the description to get to my Patreon page and choose the level of support that you'd like to get. And I'll see you there.